Let us understand the benefit of CRO. Regardless of industry or niche, webmaster can't ignore the benefits of conversion rate optimization. After all, the ultimate goal of most websites is to engage website visitors so that they will get converted into customers. On a website, conversion can happen on a homepage, product page, or even on a blog post. As a webmaster, you need to make sure you are optimizing all web pages to get maximum numbers of conversions. Whether your goal is to increase your leads, sales, or even subscriptions, conversion rate can help. For digital marketers, CRO is the key to growing their online business. Now, we all know what is conversion rate. It is just to make a visitor into a customer. It's not that easy. It depends upon the optimization that you do it frequently. By now, you understand that CRO can make your site better. If you work on CRO, you can help your business reach its true potential customers. For those on the same fence about CRO, let's take a closer look at the benefits of CRO, content rate optimization. First thing is knowing your audience. Get to know your audience. Understanding your audience is more important for all forms of digital marketing. Creating a buyer persona helps marketer understand who their ideal customers are. It takes into consideration factors like location, age, interest, demographics. Boost website revenue, that is return on investment. Spending quality time on website, optimizing it, will obviously boost your revenue. The most appreciated benefit of conversion optimization rate is that you can increase your sales on your website. Even small changes on your website, on your home page, on your product page, in your conversion rate can generate a huge profit. You have to focus on A/B testing, reduce the form fields, reduce the distracting elements in your website, have very limited content, and focus towards one single goal. Better scalability. You can focus on your scaling, like you can focus on return on investment, you can focus on number of users, number of session that has been spent, and number of sales that is done. Make sure you also focus on your user experience. First thing, your website should be mobile optimized. You should have a focus on your laptop, your tablet, and mobile users, wherein the user finds it more comfortable to use your website when making a decision. Enhance trust. Your website talks as the part of trust. When you focus upon trust, it's all the elements starting from your logo, your website URL, the domain authority, and your home page and the ratings. Everything falls under the trust factor. You should have a good control over existing web traffic. Already I have a few customers who is already engaging my website. What do you want to focus upon? Remarket them or re-engage them? I always suggest you to engage your customer, automatically sales will happen. If you look at the Amazon or Flipkart, the entire website from the page 1 to page n have the more engaging element on their website. So if you have good control over your existing web traffic, you'll be able to earn more return on investment. Lower your conversion customer acquisition cost. It is always understood like retaining an existing customer is more cheaper than acquiring a new customer. So always focus on your existing customer, give him some elements, some freebies, some free trial to focus on your return on investment. It all depends on the content that you have it on your website. Improve your website search engine ranking to improve your website conversion rate. This is very obvious. Gather more number of vote and relevant vote based on your industry will help you to focus on content rate optimization. Increase customer lifetime value. It's not all customer are single time customer. Customer buy a product from you. If the product is really good and he feels delighted, he becomes a regular customer of yours. When you talk about e-commerce platforms like Amazon, there is no single customer in the market who has buy the product or who have bought the product just for one time. Minimum two times, the Amazon will make sure you buy the product with some special offers. So if you look at the lifetime value of a customer, it is more than lakhs. Make decisions based on the proven data. Have a strong analytical skills. Analyze your data with the real time. How many people are engaging you? What is the money that you are spent on your ads? And what is the return that you're getting on your ad spend? Will help you to focus on your CRO.